have an operations manager for maintenance, and now we have our manager for re-roof as well, separate. They're both under me. We have 3 sales guys that sell both re-roof and maintenance is the idea. So they convert repair and cleaning estimates into re-roofs as it's needed. So we have 3 sales guys out there running 4 to 6 leads a day, mostly maintenance and repair. Like this time of year, it's almost all my roof's leaking, that type of thing.
Sure.
So they're running around 5 days a week, presenting, solving problems for people. That's what it comes down to, trying to solve the problems.